Okay, guys, give me a few minutes here. We will get everything set up here. Yes, we are live. Give me a few minutes, guys. I have to get the system set up here. We're having some technical difficulties. Please stand by. But yeah, our warning will be on that. The warning will be on the bottom of the TV screen, bottom of the computer, bottom of your screen for a while, guys, until I get some things set up here. I'm trying to get Ryan Hall back on here. I had to take him off for a minute to punch a called buns here for you, so I could get you guys on here. You guys want to come on here? Give me a minute. I will put you guys on here. Invite. Copy. Okay. You guys will be able to come on here in about 1 minute. Give me 1 second here. Paste. There. There you go. Now you guys can come on right now. There's a link right there, guys. Click the link in the chat. You guys can come on. If you guys want to come on, I'll let you guys on. Right now I had to reset some kind of push called buns here to get this to work for me. So this is Blizzard Part 2. We're gonna keep an eye on this. If you guys do want to come on, there's a thing right there in the chat. You guys can come on. I'll put you guys on if you want to. Now, if you want to be on the chat, right there's the chat. Come on here, and there you go. We will stay on here until further notice. But if someone wants to come on here, I need to know. You guys can come on here, and yes, the warning will be there on the bottom of the screen. If I get more people, if I get tons of people on here, then I'll fix it. Okay. Now, if I do get tons of people on here, guys, I will remove the warning on the bottom of the screen here and make it a ticker. But right now, guys, it's still like that. But if we get more people here, I will remove the warning on the bottom of the screen here and make it a ticker. That I will do. Like I said, there's a chat. There's a link right here you guys can go to if you want to. But right now, guys, if I have to, guys, actually, if I get people to come on here, guys, who want to come on here and talk and stuff, I will. There we go. That's better. That's a lot. Wait, blocky. Wait, I don't understand that version. Okay, I don't know the difference. I don't know. Let me check some here. Let me put a couple buttons here, guys. Bubble. Okay, that looks better. That looks a lot more of what I want. But if you guys want to come on to the chat, you guys can come on the chat. I need to know. If we do get people on here, guys, I will change the bottom text right there and put a ticker on the bottom of the screen so we don't have to worry about that. But right now, guys, since this is a severe weather warning, I'm going to keep this up here until further notice. That's why the chat is red. That's why it's red right now. If it was a normal day, guys, and I decided to come here for a normal time, it would be blue. But according to the weather station, they have it. Most of the weather channels decide to go red or pink. I choose red because this is a blizzard warning. Now, these are the following counties in Michigan that are under it: Berrien, Cass, Kalamazoo, and St. Joseph. Following counties in Michigan are Berrien, Cass, Kalamazoo, St. Joseph, Van Buren counties in Michigan, and Elkhart and St. Joseph County, Indiana, are these warnings until 4 p.m. Friday. So we're going to keep an eye on this until further notice. Right now, Chicago Airport right now is getting pounded with snow. So, yeah. And yes, guys, if we do get severe weather, I will bring my trusty yardstick outside and, we might go on this for a little bit, guys, and maybe we'll go on Omegle or something, talk to people on Omegle. But right now, guys, just keep an eye on this.
Another one we can look at is the concrete blocker. I'll show you that one real quick. It's just another simulation, another way that we can look at the potential here. And this one actually shows a little bit more in the way of snow coverage, especially between now and midnight tonight. So this one actually shows quite a bit of snow for Indiana, a lot of Michigan, and into Ohio and Kentucky, but still not a whole lot once you get past the Appalachian Mountains. But it's very important to remember, and I talked about this a lot yesterday. It doesn't really matter how much snow you're going to get. The dangerous part about this storm is the flash freeze. Everybody that's getting the snow out here is getting rain first. So it's going to be rainy. It's going to be 40 degrees right now. It's 55 in Kentucky.
And guys, I also have a teenager too if I need it.
If there's a bottom out down to 20 degrees, it's going to be snowing. And then after the snow's done, the temperature's going to keep going down. In some places, all the way down to 0. And then when you add the 20 to 30, maybe even 40-mile-an-hour wind gusts on top of that, you've got a negative 30-degree wind chill. So the real dangerous part of this storm is not going to be how deep the snow is. It's going to be the winds, the power outages, and the heating demand, and everything that comes along with the Arctic blast that's going to ensue because of the storm. Yeah, this is just an absolutely big time impactful storm for everybody. And I really hope that we've done a good job of kind of articulating the reasons why it's a big deal. And even though you're not gonna get a whole lot of snow, some people will, but even though not everybody's getting a lot of snow, it's still gonna be a big deal. And your meters, we want to see your measurements, but sometimes in situations like these, it's really hard to get a measurement because with the wind blowing and stuff, some people will probably see areas with 1 inch of snow on the ground and then 8 inches of snow on the ground, like right next to each other. This is going to be very fine, easily movable snow that'll be blown around by those winds, and it's really not going to be measurable at all. So here is something very interesting here. Let me show you this. This is a true RGB satellite product, and this shows snow cover across the plains and blowing dust. Look at that. You can see here the snow cover. Wow, this is a beautiful, very high quality, beautiful imagery here. But you can see the snow in Kansas and Nebraska, and you can see the dust blowing. You can see the movement of the cold air, and it's just streaming in so so unimpeded. Like there's so much more cold air coming in. This is what I'm talking about. You can literally see it. You see the dust blowing. You see the movement of the air. This is the cold front. It's already 0 degrees in like Missouri, but like all that Siberian air, all that Arctic air is still streaming down through the plains, and it's going to just compile as it goes farther and farther to the south. You think it's cold right now in northern Texas and Oklahoma, in places like Missouri and Illinois. Well, you haven't seen anything yet. It's only going to get, I guess, colder and colder, and it's going to be sustained for a while. Don't get me wrong, we're going to start warming back up in a lot of these places, but it's not going to be like one night it's a little chilly. No, it'll be a 36, 48 hour, possibly in some places 72 hour plus stretch of just extremely cold air. All right, so this is what the radar looks like right now across the U.S. Some of the most impressive, I guess, precipitation is happening over here on the East Coast. We've got heavy rain all up and down eastern portions of Virginia, eastern portions of North Carolina. You guys are hearing thunder. You're seeing lightning. These are thunderstorms, and that's running up into some cold air up here in Pennsylvania and New York, and that's turning into heavy snow showers up here around Binghamton and Syracuse and north of the Capital District there along Interstate 87. I know we've got a lot of people who were watching yesterday from this region, so if anybody's out there that can send us a picture or a video of the snow, we would love to see it, because I know there is some accumulation happening out here. The thing is, though, a lot of that is going to get washed away by this big bubble of warmer air and rain that's going to come through before the big cold front comes through. So it's a very dynamic, very interesting system that we're looking at here as we continue to watch this big time storm unfold. And looky there, the lights are green. Whenever the lights turn green, that means meteorologist Andy Hill has something to say. And Andy, we're all on the edge of our seats, so go ahead and say what's up.
Yeah, Ryan, I just wanted to tell you that what we're looking at right now with the radar showing up and so forth is actually just the beginning of this storm. It's only just now starting to deepen, and it's going to continue to get stronger and stronger over the next few days, because right now it's just stationary over Lake Superior, I think, and it's only really just gotten started. When it gets deeper, what that means.
Okay, guys, we're gonna get off this, guys. I'm gonna cut you guys off because this is just. Hey, guys, I'm done, guys. We're gonna cut you guys off. Since no one's watching me, guys, I'm gonna cut this off. I'm gonna play some games later, guys. So I'll see you guys then. So I'm gonna cut the stream off, guys. If we do get storms, I will come back on. But right now, guys, I'm just gonna cut the stream off. See you guys. Thanks for watching. Back on later, guys. We get severe.